Say apple.
Owl.
Good girl. How about balloon?
Boo.
How about ball? Say ball. Ball. How about cat?
Cat.
Ano sabi ng cat?
Wow.
Nye. How about dog? Ano sabi ng dog?
Up, up.
How about how do you eat? How do you eat?
E.
How about drink? How do you drink? Good girl. How about bath? How do you bath?
Baba.
How about all done?
Ada.
How about more? Say more. How do you do more? Ava. More. You want more? How do you say more? No. Show mommy how you do more. Ava, stand up. How do you do more, Ava?
Ba.
More? Where's your feet? Show mommy your feet. Good girl. How about your eyes? Where are your eyes? Point to your eyes. Eyes.
Ay.
Ava, show mommy your eyes. Show your nose. Point to your nose. Ava. 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 Ang sabi ng duck?
Kakaka.
Ang sabi ng bird? Paano yung bird?
Ah. Okay.
Paano yung fish? Anak, di kita makita. Fish? Paano yung... Ava, come on, look at mommy. How about milk? Paano yung milk? Paano yung milk? Paano yung milk? Milk. Paano yung milk? You want... Oh no, she wants more milk. You want more milk? Or you want water? Say water. Water, you want water? You're asking mommy for water? Yes? Say yes. Yes? Good girl. Oh!